Somebody mentioned birds. Thaibirdspot. Hi birdies, and welcome back to another episode. Today we meet the Streak-eared Bulbul, and I think you can see why. The Streak-eared Bulbul is a dull brown bulbul with paler upper parts and grey streaking behind the ear. It may look a bit of a plain bird, but it certainly has a lot of character. This bulbul is a resident breeding bird here and can be found just about all over the country, maybe with a few exceptions. Anyway, to make up for his dull coloration, he also has a pretty dull call. Sounds a bit aggressive. So, as we always say, if you want to see the bird, learn the sound. So, take a listen. I'm sure you've seen or heard this one wherever you are in Thailand. Probably the most common bulbul you're going to see in your garden. I know I do. Anyway, these ones were enjoying a good old dip and a good old shower in the little water hole. And if you like watching Thai birds bathing, well, you're in luck. Not sure I can promise what you're looking for though. Anyway, I'll shut up for a bit. Just enjoy the Thai birds bathing. Well, last week I ran a little competition to spot the unidentified birds in the video of the black-crested bulbul. Well, surprise, surprise, nobody got the right answer. In fact, only one person commented. What's up with you guys? Come on. Well, I'm going to give you another chance this week. There are only 3 other birds that show in this video, and I think they're pretty easy, maybe apart from one. So, if you can name them all, subscribe to the channel, you can go into the draw and maybe you'll win one of those marvellous T-shirts. Somebody mentioned shirts. Thai bird shirt, spot, shirt, spot, shirt. I'm getting confused now. Anyway, sit back, enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you next time. Well, that's it for now. Another little video, Streak-eared Bulbul. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, hope you didn't get too excited about Thai birds bathing. Or maybe I've said that too often. Anyway, that's it. See you on the next one. Bye for now.